Alright, tech enthusiasts, petrol heads, and anyone who loves bleeding-edge gadgets. Today, we're not just reviewing a phone, we're unboxing a statement. This is the Realme GT 8 Pro Aston Martin F1 Limited Edition, and let me tell you, it's more than just a fancy name. Unlike many special editions that just slap a logo on the back, the GT8 Pro Aston Martin Edition is a legitimate collector's item. It combines the absolute peak of 2025 Android performance, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, with a genuinely unique hardware feature, swappable camera frames, that sets it apart from the standard model. First impressions start right here. Look at this box. It's massive, premium, and immediately screams special edition. Inside, you're not just getting a phone, you're getting an experience. Let's talk design. This isn't just a green phone. This is Aston Martin Racing Green, with those iconic lime essence accents running down the carbon fiber textured back. It feels like a miniature supercar in your hand, perfectly weighted. The Aston Martin Aramco Formula 1 team logo isn't just printed, it's almost embossed. Every curve, every texture, it's about speed and luxury. The Realme GT 8 Pro Aston Martin F1 Edition was first announced at the beginning of this month. Now, the device has officially gone on sale in China. This special edition combines Realme's flagship hardware with a distinctive F1-inspired aesthetic, developed in collaboration with the Aston Martin Formula 1 team. It comes in a single configuration with 16GB RAM and 1TB storage, designed for users who value both performance and luxury craftsmanship. The Realme GT 8 Pro Aston Martin F1 Edition adopts design cues from Aston Martin's Formula 1 cars. It features a striking racing lime colorway, complemented by a carbon fiber texture and the signature silver wing emblem. The back panel follows an aerodynamic curvature for improved ergonomics. The collector's edition box includes racing-themed accessories such as a custom F1 pin, a bespoke phone case, and a miniature race car model, highlighting its premium appeal. The software interface has also been uniquely customized with an F1-themed user experience, complete with animated wallpapers, exclusive icons, dynamic charging visuals, and camera watermarks that reflect the Aston Martin partnership, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset and supported by the R1 display processor. The Realme GT 8 Pro Aston Martin F1 Edition ensures smooth performance and efficient thermal management. It features a 679-inch 2K AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of up to 7,000 nits. The 7,000 mAh battery supports 120 watts wired and 50 watts wireless fast charging for minimal downtime. The camera system includes a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto unit co-developed with Ricoh GR. It supports 10x optical zoom, 120x digital zoom, and 4K on 20 FPS video recording. The Realme GT 8 Pro Aston Martin F1 Edition is priced at $770 for the sole 16GB and 1TB variant and delivers a premium flagship experience inspired by the spirit of Formula 1. What do you think of the Realme GT 8 Pro Aston Martin F1 Edition? Is it worth the premium for that F1 flair and those incredible specs? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.